Hi, folks. My name is Danny. Welcome to Danny's Corner. I am making these videos to make people aware. I am a visually impaired person, a totally blind person, and I feel that there are a lot of questions when it comes to people who are blind, how they do things, why they do what they do, and I am here to answer a lot of those questions. I don't have all the answers. Every blind person is different, and they should not all be told to do things the same way, which some in the blind community may want you to think that we all do things the same way, or we all should do things the same way. This is considered Blindness Awareness Month, and to me, that not only means getting the word out in terms of preventing, how to prevent blindness, how to take steps to control that, and some services that you can use. If you're been diagnosed with some sort of an eye condition, or if you're totally blind, but also when it comes to spiritual blindness, which a lot of sighted people have. Spiritual blindness is when you don't know that you're hurting others. Spiritual blindness can manifest itself in so many ways. So, this is the reason why I'm making these videos. In today's video, I want to talk about food. We all like it. Some food is better than others, but it's interesting how, as a society, we have been accustomed or used to eating junk food. And a lot of the times it's by necessity, not so much by choice. So, for those people that work from 8 to 12 hours, possibly more, there is no other choice but to eat junk food. And it's interesting how, for as much as we say that we should eat healthy, and there are dietary guidelines that we should follow, or we're supposed to follow, or we're told to follow, even that can become a bit controversial. Anyway, so how do we deal with this when it comes to eating healthy? I think that if there is a way that we can set aside a day, preferably on a Sunday, where we can take a day and ask other people to help. Could you make, or could we make a batch of food and split it into like small containers and or baggies, so we can take that lunch to wherever we need to be, work, or if we know that we're going to be busy during the week doing other things and we're not going to have time, or I should say, we know that we're going to be busy, and we know that we are don't want to eat outside because of the unhealthy food choices that are out there, and we want better choices. Instead of taking that 5-minute drive to the fast food restaurant and back, and then waiting the time to order and then eating the food, which can take anywhere from, I don't know, 30 minutes to an hour, it would be best to just, you know, take that lunch that you have already made at home and eat it. And again, I didn't know this, but there are, of course, there's Tupperwares and things that where you can keep your lunch. There's also bags that you can put your food in. There's thermoses, but I didn't realize that there's also such things as electric lunch boxes. And what these are, I'm not promoting any specific product. I just thought it was interesting how there are lunch boxes, which essentially are a portable hot plate where you can heat up your food. Um, and it obviously has a cord. I'm not sure for how long it keeps it warm and or hot. Perhaps they have a setting, but it's really interesting how technology has evolved over the years, and it's much easier now to do that. Even when it comes to, let's say, you don't want to use a dirty microwave at your work or wherever you are because you don't know how often it's being cleaned or whatnot. So I think this is a great alternative. You just pack your lunch. If you do have the money to buy one of these electric lunch boxes, look it up on Amazon. So you know that I'm telling you the truth. And you will see different price models. They're quite expensive. But if this does help you in the long run and you're able to take your own food, if you're able to make the time to make your own food, then do it. Even the healthiest menu item at a fast food restaurant is not healthy, unfortunately. A lot of these items come with additives and other things to make them last longer. There was I believe it was an article. There was some sort of report done or some sort of investigation done where somebody had kept a burger. I believe it was in their coat pocket, if I'm not wrong. And that burger was still intact, meaning it was still edible. I'm not sure how long it was there for. The only problem was that it was dry. But this should tell you everything that you should know about fast food. Now, I'm not going to be a hypocrite saying that I don't eat fast food. I do. I enjoy it just like everybody else does. What I'm saying is we should be more conscientious about what we eat, what we put into our bodies, and definitely for me, being a person with a few disabilities, I'm certainly taking that route. So thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Bye.